settled by veterans from the Revolutionary War, starting in 1782. We're in the South Solon Meeting House, in a few miles north of Skowhegan. It was a place to hold religious services, the way you have in every single New England town. It was built in the 19th century, was completely decorated in fresco. In the middle of the 20th century, courtesy of the Skowhegan School of Painting and Sculpture. In the early 50s, very early 50s, they endowed a prize to select young artists to completely paint in fresco this typical New England meeting house. Basically, what we have is painting on a wet plaster preparation, and the technique was really developed and perfected in Italy. You need to put a first plaster preparation to get it really flat. It's retained a lot of its original features. So the steeple is still original. If you look at the windows, they have a feature above it that makes them kind of slightly pointed, right? So it has some Gothic revival features. It's my go-to, visit because it's really, truly unique. It's really, and a very different style, by the way. This is the remarkable thing about this